In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event on your Wix website and accept payments along the way. Whether it's a small gathering or a large conference, setting up an event on Wix is straightforward with the right guidance. Let's dive in and walk you through each step of this process. To begin, you'll need to head over to the Wix website. If you already have an account, great! You can log in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account, which only takes a few moments. Follow the prompts to enter your email and create a password, or you can use one of the social sign-up options if you prefer. Once you're logged in, open the website project where you want to create your event. Now that you're in the website's dashboard, look to the left sidebar and you'll see the App Market option. Click on that to enter Wix's extensive app library. What we're specifically looking for here is the Wix Events app. So go ahead and type Wix Events into the search bar. This tool is your essential partner in creating and managing events smoothly on your site. After locating the Wix Events app in the search results, click either Add to Site or Open App, depending on what you see. This action will integrate the Events app into your website seamlessly. Once added, the next step is to click on Manage Event. This is where the magic happens. Hit that Create Event button and you'll start setting the stage for your upcoming occasion. You'll need to fill in the various details of your event. This includes naming your event, adding a compelling description, setting the date and time, and specifying the location, whether it's a physical venue or an online setup. As you continue setting up your event, navigate to the Tickets section. This is crucial because here you'll determine how your attendees will gain access. Clicking on Plus Add Ticket allows you to configure ticket types, set prices, and even establish early bird offers or discounts if you wish. Be thorough to ensure everything aligns with your event's requirements. To begin accepting payments, make sure to enable the payment function. This option typically involves selecting your preferred payment methods and ensuring that your account is set up to receive the funds accordingly. It's essential to configure this part correctly to avoid any hassles later on. Next, you'll want to customize the confirmation emails that your attendees will receive. This is not only a good practice, but also elevates the professionalism of your event. Personalize these emails to reflect your brand and provide any additional information that your attendees might need. Finally, it's time to publish and promote your event. Spread the word through social media, emails, or whatever channels fit your strategy. By advertising effectively, you'll ensure maximum attendance and engagement. And there you have it. Your event on Wix is now ready to welcome attendees and receive payments effortlessly.